not even on that. Oh, we're live.
How do I?
Right, let's get back into it. We did do another video, but we had to stop it because the quality was shocking. It was lagging like a bitch.
No, we killed ourselves.
We killed ourselves.
Honestly, we did because he put the thing on too high, so it was lagging.
How do I find? Oh, here it is. Who's that?
I don't know.
Right, you ready? Gotta wait a few seconds for it to come up. 2 viewers? How are they on it already?
Are you nothing but
How
an
are you on
agent
it?
of chaos, Richtofen?
What did I?
Many years
Twisted.
have we hunted you. I have traveled.
Are you on the app?
Many things.
Yeah.
Many futures. Many
Look.
histories. Why do you seek to disrupt the order of events ever further?
I didn't. No,
There is something else out there.
I wasn't on the app.
You're on. Yeah.
I'm watching it.
We've got to start again. Anyway, hi guys.
It's not lagging though on here.
This is another zombies video. Why don't you subscribe? I will do.
On what? No, don't.
Josh, can you hear us both?
I can on mine.
Can you?
Yeah,
Josh didn't even know.
just missed it.
No! What support?
Lagging or something.
What? Why is my zombie dead?
Oh,
Right.
kill this, please. Fuck's sake. Why did you laugh?
Where?
Putting the power. On mine.
It won't be like. Oh,
No, we're not.
I'm banning you.
Threat. Woohoo!
I've not thought for long.
Could have got it. You could have got it. The box.
What?
Okay. Oh. Doing you fucking grin.
Good damage.
Go.
Or
Black.
is it? You're hilarious.
What's the non-gaming content?
How's this not gaming? Oh, shut up.
Nothing. You said that. I just
Who's that?
don't know.
Yeah, guys.
Putting things right, Nikolai.
Put some comments.
When's in the comments? When's in the comments? I know. But
30 the bear.
Bertie?
Yeah.
Don't want to call it Bertie.
I'm calling it Bert. What do you want to call it?
Barney.
Barney, fuck off. Barney. But it's Barney, but
Bobby Bear.
that'd be better, no.
That's mine.
Didn't get it. Go for it.
Don't.
Bit of quick scope.
What? I need to get this. I had to get it.
Right, what level am I now? Nearly 17.
What?
Don't even know if it's gonna What?
What?
He's a weirdo.
Not right in the head.
Your words are empty. Your soul is hollow.
Bagsy, this box.
You ever hope to put things right?
Box. Why?
Nikolai, I realize that I'm often
Is
hostile
it an actual
towards you.
person?
It's simply because your ideology is
If it
diametrically
is, just
opposed
fuck
to mine.
Oh, I didn't mean to reload, you piece of poo.
Let us play fetch the grenade, demon spawn. I will bring death.
Sorted.
Oh, come on. Come on. Come on.
Why did you go to that box?
Yes! Ow.
I said piece of.
Keys.
I said piece of poo. Poo's not swearing. No, it's not.
Right, I'm gonna do the monkeys thing now. What do you all
Wait.
What do you think it's gonna be, Josh?
Reload.
Josh, can you hear me in the actual thing? Can you hear me in the stream? Right, just make. What do you all think it's gonna be at the special teleporter?
A quick death for the unworthy.
That door open.
Where? I don't know. No, I don't think it is.
Pay for it now. Oh my dollar.
I was watching you.
Why are you watching me?
Because I thought I would.
What is it?
No. Grenade.
You are soft like pampered Western capitalists.
Where did you come from?
Gypsy.
Yeah.
Oh, why did you get that?
There was a time I relished the opportunity to kill the hordes. No longer.
You've got more subscribers than you anyway.
Yeah.
You should do live streaming. If you want to make a video that you live stream, and
No,
then
shares
then
on,
you stream.
shares on YouTube.
Josh.
To do that.
It's one of the
Look how much ammo I've got after.
Yeah, you got max ammo, didn't we?
That's so cool.
Too bad you can't use
one
it.
I know.
Do that. That's gory.
What? It's gory.
Nikolai's pockets are empty. Woe is Nikolai.
That stream's so behind. Oh, the box is here now.
Where?
Oh, I'd ignore that.
No, what? Why? Waste. Really? Want me to go there now?
Stay quiet.
Yeah. Why?
Oh, yeah, it's not.
Go to the mainframe. Why? You haven't commented in what the comments. What you
Why
think
am I
you can
going?
do.
Yeah, I'm here.
What the,
Now what?
What the perks are on.
What do you want me to do?
Just do it.
Do what?
Quick. Walk forward, hold X.
Oh. Didn't know what you wanted me
That
to
didn't
do.
work. That didn't work. Oh,
Did it not?
no.
Shut up!
Labor
Hey,
is good
Kay.
for the soul.
You can come with me. Come with me quick. Run. No, don't get that. What are you doing?
What? When we here?
Being a
I was at the start of a round.
Yeah. Telling me not to do that.
Yeah, that,
Why am I coming with you here?
so I can do this teleport.
Thought you wanted me to link it.
No, you've already done that.
Oh, you want me to pay for it?
Yes.
Ah.
This is a free one. Quick, get in.
I can't.
Pay for it, quick. Who? That's twice as...
Can't give a shit. Someone's watching us.
no, four.
Not yet.
What's this? Everyone can be watching live. It's a giant.
He plays the giant anymore.
Thy name is Edward.
What's this?
Giant.
Jug. I ain't got enough.
Sorry.
Wait, go to